Hi, this video is about how to lay out a drawer from library and modify. This method can be used when you don't have the up, down, left, right panel required to generate drawer. Let's begin by pulling out a superboard from basic panel filler. Then change the elevation to, let's say, 800. Go into product library, search for drawer. Pull it out and place on the floor first. Then you may change the drawer size on the right, following the width of the superboard, which is 882. And move it up, place it under the superboard. 1780 is the distance of the superboard. So I'll add up 18 for the thickness of the superboard. So that will be 1798. Now press B to enter board selection, then click on the drawer board to change the size if necessary. Here, after I change the width to 882, the board extends to the right already, so I'm going to move it back to 0 in X. If you would like to change the drawer height, you need to press B or Escape to exit the board selection first. Then click on the drawer and edit the size. Else, you will be editing the drawer board instead of the whole drawer. Let's say I changed to 200 already, and I'm gonna have to adjust the distance again, which is 1798. Next, I'm going to adjust the handle position. Press B for board selection again. Click the handle and adjust the X position. Use the width minus the handle length and divide by 2, which is 361. Same goes to the Z position. Drawer height 200 minus the height of the handle and divide by 2. Thank you.